In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a generated image from a ChatGPT conversation. If you've created an image in ChatGPT and want to save a copy to your device, the process is usually very simple. The exact buttons may look a little different depending on whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer, but the overall steps are basically the same. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening the ChatGPT conversation that contains the generated image you want to save. Make sure you're in the correct chat, then scroll until the image is visible on your screen. This is important because you'll need to interact directly with the image itself. Next, click or tap the image to open it. In many cases, this will expand the image and make additional options easier to see. Opening it first also helps you make sure you're saving the full version of the image rather than just a small preview. Once the image is open, look for the download button. Depending on your device, this may appear as a downward arrow, a save icon, or a menu option near the image. If you see the download option, go ahead and click download. On some devices, the image may save automatically to your default downloads folder or photo library. If you don't see a download button, don't worry. There's another easy way to save the image. Right-click the image if you're on a computer or long press it if you're using a phone or tablet. This should open a menu with more options related to the image. From that menu, choose Save Image As or Save to Photos, depending on what your device shows. The wording can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You're telling your device to save a copy of the image locally. After that, select the folder or location where you want to save it. If you're on a computer, you may want to choose a folder you can easily find later, like Downloads, Desktop, or Pictures. On mobile, it may go straight into your Photos app automatically. Finally, open the file after it saves to confirm that it downloaded correctly. This quick check helps you make sure the image isn't corrupted, incomplete, or saved somewhere unexpected. And that's it. Once you've confirmed the file opens properly, your image is successfully saved and ready to use whenever you need it.